You can now create fully functional apps easily with a single prompt. I know you might think this is far-fetched or this sounds too good to be true, but in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create fully functioning apps with a single prompt. You do not have to write a single code unless you're trying to create something really, really complex. Now, I've created 4 different applications for different purposes with a single prompt in the latest Gemini with the latest Gemini model, and I'm going to show you step by step how you can do this. It will take you literally a few seconds to generate a functional app, and you don't have to start thinking about how you can encapsulate the app or how you can do anything. You can just export it in as a fully functional HTML document, and you don't have to worry about anything else. Now, let's just get started. First of all, let me just show you the apps I created. Let's start with this scientific calculator. Now, you can see here, this is a scientific calculator. If I come here and I just write sine 90 degrees, and then I put, you can see it gave me the answer. This is a simple scientific calculator. Now, I tried to make it more complex by making it understand natural language. So instead of just having it be a simple calculator, I decided to implement natural language. So you don't have to come here to impute whatever you want. You can literally just tell it something like 3 cos 90 and it will give you the answer. So let's assume I just write 3 sine 90. It will automatically understand that this means 3 multiplied by the sine value of 90 degrees. So let me just put that. You can see the answer right here. So this is a simple app. Now, the way I did this is, first of all, I went on to Google Gemini, the normal Gemini, and then I asked it, I am about to do a video about the capabilities of the latest model, Gemini 2.5 Pro preview. Now, this applications are going to be created with the latest Gemini version. Now, this is Gemini 2.5 Pro review, and it is the latest version, as you can see here. You can see the date that it was created, 6th of May. So that's like the last time it was updated. Now, I asked it, I wanted to create 5 simple applications using this model, and it should give me 5 best applications, and it gave me 5 of them, and it gave me a code explainer, an interactive unit converter, scientific calculator, Gemini image generator app, but I didn't use that one as we already have too many image generators. But you can generate your own specific image generator if you want that using API keys. If you want that tutorial, just comment below and I'll create a tutorial on how to do that for you. So with a few others like interactive solar system explorer and dynamic particle flow visualizer. Now, the way I did it is I asked Gemini to give me also the prompts to create specific apps. So it is a simple prompt. Like, for example, the calculator, you can see here, create a single HTML file for a web application that is a scientific calculator, and blah, 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 blah. It's included the features of the calculator. Now, this is what Gemini gave to me, and I just copied all of this, and then I came to Gemini here. And once you're on Gemini here, it won't be looking like this. I already have codes here because this is the code that was generated for me. So you just have a page like this. Let's wait while it loads. You click on chat. So once you click on chat, it's going to ask you welcome to AI Studio, and you're just going to type in whatever prompt you want for whatever application you want. So since it was a calculator, I'll just paste in the code for a calculator, but this is a unique converter. So once you paste in the code, remember, the prompt, I asked Gemini to make sure that the applications are exported in downloadable in the HTML file, so you can use it anywhere. You can use it on your smartphone, you can use it on your PC, you can use it wherever you go, because it is just a web app. So once you click on the app, it's going to automatically open a web page on any browser on your device. So whether it be your laptop or it be your smartphone, doesn't matter, it's going to automatically open it. So once you've inputted your code here from Gemini, you just click on run, and once you click on run, it would automatically generate the code for you. But first of all, it will think about the prompt you've given it, and it's going to break it down to the various structures of of the code. So once it's done breaking it down, it will now code everything for you. So you can see here, these are the codes. Very simple code. All you have to do is just click on download. Once you click on download, you have an application that is fully functional. But you have to scroll down to when it is done coding the application, because if you download the wrong file, it's not going to be complete. You have to make sure you scroll down till the Gemini stops typing, and then the code is done, and you see this huge download button here. That's where you can download the code from. You can see it's still coding the application. I'm just going to keep scrolling until it's done. So now it's done. So you just click on download. Once you click on download, it's automatically download the HTML file. So once you go to where the HTML file is, you just double click on it, and then you have voila, you have your unit converter. So you can just put in any amount and click on convert. Okay, it says you cannot convert length to temperature. Perfect. You can see. So I'll just say length to maybe inches, whatever it is. So I'm just going to click on it. You can see 100 meters equals to 3,937 inches. So this is a simple unit converter. Now let's go over to something more complex. Now I created this solar system. I don't want a solar system app that would give you information about planets and their distance away from the sun and the properties of the planets. Now, if I click on Saturn here, I just click on solar view and I click on Saturn, you can see it's giving me information about Saturn. Saturn's rings are incredibly thin, only about 10 to 30 meters thick, and in most places. It gave me the diameter, the average distance from the sun, 9.58 AU. AU is actually 1 A is equivalent to 150 million kilometers. So this is like 9.58 multiplied by 150 million kilometers. That's the distance from Saturn to the sun. Now, this is a simple app that you can literally create with Gemini. Now, you can do things more complex than this. I'm just doing this tutorial so you can understand how easy it is for you to start creating applications. Now, most times you don't understand where you can use this application. A lot of people are making money by actually creating applications that are extensions for web browser. So, for example, someone wants to have a unit converter or a calculator on their web browser as an extension. You can literally just have your app and the Google and the Chrome extension store, and people can actually use it. And with this way, you can advertise and make more and make money. It's super easy. The utilities of this Gemini model. Now, this is how simple it is. So you can just go on Gemini and ask it to help you with the prompt. So if you don't know how to actually prompt, sometimes your codes might not come out perfect because of the way you prompt. So you have to tweak it by telling Gemini the specific areas where you wanted to change some stuff and where you wanted to implement or where you wanted to build on. So it's that simple. You literally just copy your prompt and then you head over to Gemini, and then you paste your prompt and tell it whatever you want the application to do, and it will literally create it for you. It is that simple. I created all these applications in less than 5 minutes. It didn't take me up to 5 minutes to create all this application because I already had the prompts baked in, and then the only thing that I had to do to create this other calculator that uses natural language input is because it didn't get a lot of the parameters correct, so I had to prompt for it to change a little bit of the calculations and stuff. It was super easy in natural language. You don't have to worry about the complexities of writing code or copying code and putting it somewhere else. You can literally just ask Gemini to export all of this in a HTML file that you can just upload on your website or upload wherever you want in the app store, wherever it is, and you can literally have an app running fully functional. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you found this useful. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.